Available items, it says available items are 1. Next, we will have a form where we will enter the value and it will display inside the page. So this table you keep align right. ALIGN, align as a right. So this table will appear in the right side of the screen. Now before that, we will create one more table. That table will be aligned as a left. So left side will have the form and right side will have the list. Align equal to left. And cell padding, give something 10, 12, 15, anything. Okay. Inside this, you will add one more T head or maybe T body you can add directly. Under the T body, one TR will come. TD will add one TD for item name and one text box will add one more TD. Input type equal to text. Check now how it look. Table went to right side and the form came in the left side. We can add some more form here. Some more input field. Item name we have added. Price, quantity. We need to add 3 more columns. Item name, item price, item quantity. Then you need one button, save button, where we can click and the data will come under the text box. So we required here one TD with the call as span as a 2 and align center. So that button will come in the middle. Call span 2 and align center. Button to add here. Save item. So this is the first table that is in the left hand side. Second table we have in the right hand side. BG color, if you want, you can give some different BG color. Home is in the left side, data we have in the right hand side.
Sir,
Tell me, sir.
sir, can you please share this entire code?
Which file?
Sir, this one, hook3.js.
You are not writing.
Sir, actually, I haven't attended yesterday's lecture.
That you are doing.
सर फाइल डालिए थे चार्ट में वो रिप्लेस कर ले.
Okay, okay.
Attend regular.
Yes, sir.
Show me hook3.js.
Next, we need to write the functions. 3 functions we require to take the value of each text box, and one save button we require, save function we require to save the data inside the array. Meanwhile, let's create now variables. One variable called constant book name, and one function called, and then use state book price, book QTY.
Function name is same, sir.
function name will be different. Pick name, pick price. Pick divide. Use state should not be user state. Pick name, pick price, pick QTY. Now we have to write a function const
That mark.
save. Write here a method.
ले separate हाँ separate फंसाती है mana ಹಿಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು ರೀ sorry
Okay, book name we have added. Now we'll go to the text box, and for that pick name. We will write here on change equal to, for this text box create an object, and then in that pick name function pass the value like this. Dot value. Value of the current text box will go to text field. Same way we can do here the remaining. Change equal to price same way we'll do for the quantity also.
Object value readiness
Can be same also, no problem. It's a temporary variable. Local variable you can say. Local variable of particular function. Ready? Enter the value, click on save button. Your alert is coming. Someone is logging for video. Which video you want? You have to message me. Your batch time and which video. So we'll go here. We'll enter some name. Example mango. Click on save. Mango should come as a alert. Click check properly. On click we are calling save button. Here.
So, actually, I want to simple.
Can you please, sir, once run the program through the browser?
Check yours is working or not.
Not working, sir. Only first name is coming in alert.
Only alert will come as a name only.
Yes, yes.
You have not written the winning code still.
Okay, okay.
Okay, next after that, we need to take all three variable and store inside the array. We need to take all three variable, store inside the array. So we need to go here. This temp variable you have created. We want to create one more array like this, same only, similar, but the value will be different. Copy this temp line, paste here. Apple we have here. Apple will get replaced by which one? Oh, book name, book price I have given. Book name, price we can write here college book price Quantity will write here is a book quantity. Book QTY. Next, after that, we have to use the spread operator, and with the help of update function, what is our array name? Item list. Item list. Right arrow. Square bracket. 3 times dot. After that, your item list. Array name. Item list, comma, that new item, that is called temporary array. So now what is happening? Again, same A equal to A plus B formula, and the value is new values are available under the temp variable. It is coming from where? Variable. When it will get the value, when the user start typing, that time value will go to the array, and array name will be called temp. Next, after that, this temp is holding one item details that we need to merge with the item list. So for that, here A equal to A plus B will happen. Item list equal to item list plus new item will happen. And finally, the final list of items will go to this function called item list. And from item list, again, it will update under the item list array. It will go to update item. From update item, it will go to the item list. And finally, your array will be populated. Save it.
Working, sir.
Seema and Aswini Patil, both are from the same 330 batch, right? Please reply quickly. I'm in between something. Okay, so that video zip folder I'll give you again. You can download it.
For me, item price and quantity showing empty.
Check the variable name. Variable name will have some problem. So for you both, Aswini and Seema, that video is uploading 287 MB. Today video still I'm not sure whether it is converted or not. Let me cross check once. $17. Today video is still not ready. So that previous video you download. All 4 video is coming to your chat. Today still you can see here not converted. I have to convert it after some time. Okay, so let us see the problem where it will be. Possibility of the problem is 2-3 classes. Then we have called item name, sorry, book name, book price, book QTY. Book name should match here, book price should match here, book QTY should match here. See, after clicking, you can see highlight is happening. It should match. It should match. It should match. That is one thing. Another thing, function name is different, peak name, peak price, and peak QTY. When I come down, peak name is taking the value of first text box and sending to the book name variable. Peak price is taking the value of second text box and sending to the book price variable. Next we have peak QTY. Peak QTY is taking the value of which one? Quantity and sending to where? Book quantity variable. Finally, after filling the form, user will click on submit button. Save function will be called. Save function, at this place we are creating another object array. That data is coming from the variables. And finally, with the help of a spread operator and update item, you are updating the item list. As soon as we update the item list, our array will get reloaded. This array will get reloaded.
I have not tried it.
Let me check.
But still not working.
Read twice, thrice. Compare 2 times, 3 times. It's coming here in the right hand side. It's coming in the right hand side.
Can I share my screen?
I can share you the code. Replace this T body to T body. T body to T body, you replace it. All TR I'll send you. 3 TR. TR I sent in the chat. That you can replace, and after that, these 3 functions you can replace. What we added the code today, those functions you can update. Then check still error. Working. Check now.
Checking. Yeah, working, sir. Thank you.
After that, we need to display a message here. Orange added successfully. Text box should clear. So first display the message particular added successfully. For that we have to create another variable constant message update message. use state. Ready? Come down at this place. We have to write here update message, and in that we can display book name plus. So book name is holding name of the item, book name plus added successfully. Name added successfully. Now after that we need to display this message. After the H1 you can write the paragraph. Inside you can display the message. Okay, ready? Check now, message is coming. Orange. Price 100 rupees per kg. Quantity 20 kg. Save button. Orange added successfully. Orange green 30 rupees 10 kg. Orange green added successfully. Please check once. Hello. Hello. Okay, ready? Message is coming. Next, after that, we need to clear the text box. We need to clear the text box. So flow, hope you understood. It's a very minimum HTML code we have added so that only React code will be visible. If you add lot of CSS code, Java, Bootstrap code, then React code will not be visible. It will feel like overload. So now you have only React code and very less HTML code. Okay, coming next, we want to clear the text box as well. So for that, we have to do not much thing, a small thing. Let's come here. Suppose you taken the value from text box and you pass to the variable. From variable we received, we created the array. After that, this array got merged with the existing array. Message also we displayed. Now there is no need of this variable, book name. No need of book name. Like book name variable is required, but value is not required. So what we will do at this place, we will come here and we will call this function, peak name function. And through peak name function, we will send as a empty. Now empty value will happen to book name. Peak name variable will become now not peak name. With the help of peak name function, here I made as a suppose ABC. Where this ABC will go? In which variable?
Book name, sir.
It will go to book name. Clear?
Yes, sir.
If I keep here as a empty, then where empty will happen?
Book name will be empty.
Book name variable will be empty because now book name we don't require. We have taken the value given to array, we displayed, array got combined with the main array, then variable also we use and display the message. After that, finally, this variable value don't need. So we are going to use the same variable for the next purpose. What is that? To clear the text box as well. Call here the function and pass the empty value in that. Call here the variable, pass the empty value in that.
Same line also we can.
Same line also we can give, separated by semicolon.
Right, but it is not clearing text box, right? Actually.
We have not completed a still code. Still, we have not completed. Just we have removed the value of the variable. Okay, now we will come down and here, okay. If you know the HTML, in HTML we have one property called value. With the help of value property, we can assign and deassign the value of a text box. Now look at it. If I write here called value equal to that variable name. Which variable name? Book name. So what is the value of the book name? After clicking on submit button?
It's empty, sir.
Empty. So definitely
Yes, sir.
value will be empty here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Text box will become clear. The variable function we call, and to the variable we send as a value as a empty. Okay, now this book name variable will hold as a nothing because function is sending as an input empty value. After that, what we did is the same variable we called as a value property. Value equal to book name. Inside the book name, what we have now? Nothing. So value will become clear. Let's do the same. Check once. If one is happening, you can try value for the remaining all. The React code is small. Which one? In React functional component, code is small. Output is more. Less code, more output. Class component, code is more and output is less.
Yes, sir. Working.
Yeah, working.
Working.
Yes, sir.
Yes, right.
We'll come down below. We'll write here value equal to again. Book price. Book QTY. See it now.
Sir, correct the spelling values
Book QTY.
before values. Spelling of value.
Yeah, value. Okay, so text box is getting clear. Number is increased, plus your message also comes meaningful. You will look into my page. As of now, I have added 2 extra elements. One element was there, apple already. 2 more I have added, mango and orange. Okay, you can check in your system also. After that, I will go to the component number 2. I'll go to the hook 2. Again, I'll come to hook 3. You will see data is lost. 3 was here, no? The data is lost. That is the problem of React. That is the problem of React. To fix that problem, we have another solution that is called Redux. Redux will say, you store your data in component, go to other component, come back. Your data will not lose. Till when? Till your page is not refreshed, your data will be there only. You go to any component and come back, no problem at all. Your data will remain same here. Whatever you have, without database, without any storage here there. Okay, that is the feature of Redux. Redux is especially for that purpose only. When we come from one component to other component, our component will lose the data from a state. Redux will say, don't worry, you don't give the data to a state directly. You give me, I will store separate somewhere else. I will also use a state only, but I'll store somewhere else. If you go and come back, I will give you data. Your data is not in a component, your data is with me. Who will say? Redux. For that purpose, only Redux we have, one separate library. Okay. So hope your data is saving, listing, message is coming, clear happen. So now based on this, we can create many example. Single dimensional array you have gone through already. Now multi-dimensional array, we are able to save the data, we are able to list the data, we are able to delete the data. Edit, we will not learn as of now, we have to wait for few days. Because to edit the data, we have to learn another property, another hooks function that is called use params. Use params. First, we need to get the idea on use params, how use params works, and then we'll come to the edit part. Okay. Next, come to the delete function.
After refreshing the page, Redux has also not.
No. After, see here, look at here. When I am going to the hook number 2, page is not refreshing. See, it is not called page refresh. Your page is constant, only component is changing. When the component will change, data definitely it will change. It is not called refresh. Refresh is what? When I go here and click on this, entire component will reload from beginning. That is called refresh and reload. Okay. So if we do like that, Redux will also say, sorry, yaar, you entire everything you refreshed, even I will lose the data. Redux is like, suppose you fill the data here, I fill the data here, something, data came here. If I go to the component number 2 and come back, still my data should be here. Okay, the Redux will say you don't give to your component. Okay, you work on component only. Displaying component, take from component. Storing part I will take care. You give me. I will have a separate store. I will take your data and I store under the store. And whenever you come from any component to any component, I will give you data from the store.
But after refresh, Redux had also moved the data.
Sir, it's gone, sir. Can you send video 3 only? Aswini, that way it will not work out. Understood, no? Keep your internet sufficient. I will send last time video number 3. Because Zoom is based on upload. How much data we upload per day? Every month we pay a lot of money to Zoom. Zoom will not allow to upload a lot of video. It's a different type of account. Based on upload every hour, based on upload they charge the money. It's kind of postpaid plan. First we use, then we pay. Other people first they will pay, then they'll use. Our is first use and then pay. So in this video upload, little we need to control. Yes, you have facility, use it, don't misuse it. Keep your proper internet, sit on proper place where internet work, then take the video. I uploaded again video number 3, but if you say again today upload, anyone will not do it today. Okay, let's go next. Come after this, we have to delete the functionality. We need to apply the delete. So write a function called delete item const delete item equal to arrow method, and its need again index. We can capture here index, and we can go here and we can write at this place. We can write again item list dot splice. Inside that we have to pass as a index and comma 1. Next, after that, we will not add here call temp, and same time you will demand to display the message also. So we can, no problem, we can use the message here. After delete we can display the message. Again let it be name, keep here call name. Now this name will come from where? Deleted successfully. Name will come from where? Deleted. Name is another parameter we are going to send from HTML. We will send 2 parameters. One parameter index, second parameter is a name. Because to display the name, here once you delete the element, how can you find the name of the element? Definitely we cannot. Else we can use the index to get the name, but that will be little difficult to understand. You will feel where it's coming from. So better than that, where we will call the delete item function, There only will pass two parameters, book name and their position. Index will go for deleting purpose and name will come and display the message. That's all. We can use here item list of index of name also, but that will be rounded way. Okay, so let's write it and then come to the HTML part. From HTML, we have to send two value. One is called which one? Index, and second one is called name.
Sir,
Tell me, sir.
splice function, sir, their index and one is there. So one implies only one will be deleted.
No. Using a splice function, we can add the data also. We can delete the data also. Okay. Listen properly. Using a splice function, we can add the data inside the array. We can delete the data from array. Okay. Now a splice function is for the two purpose. So how a splice will understand I should add or delete? So a splice function says like I have two prefix value. If you give me two parameter, whereas second parameter is one, then I will delete the value. Okay, you can say one for deleting purpose and zero for adding purpose.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
A splice function, if anyone asks what is a splice function, how it works, you can say a splice function used to add the data, add element as well as delete the element. Okay. A splice function take 0 to add the element. A splice function take 1 to delete the element. Okay, let us go then. Come down below, call the delete item function. Hope this delete function is written. Now go here. On delete, on click equal to delete item dot bind. Dot bind. Okay, now inside the bind, how many value we need to send? Two value. This, another one as a index, and one more as a item dot name. Item dot name. Three parameter you need to pass in that. For us is index and item dot name, and for system is index. This. Now check once. Delete is happening or not? Delete will happen with the message. It will say this is deleted successfully.
Sir, error is coming. Unexpected name. Unexpected use of name.
Check properly.
Sir, I use name update in update message. But it is name is depreciated. Name is depreciated. The declaration was marked as depreciated here.
Leave that. In object-oriented programming, there is a keyword called name space. Okay, so that is giving you the notification. You can change the variable name if you want, or if you want to leave, check delete is happening or not.
So not happening. Error is coming.
Anyone else?
No, sir.
Delete happening?
Yes, sir. Delete happening.
Working, sir.
अरे तूने वो 2 वेरिएबल लिया है क्या, इंडेक्स और नेम डिलीट आइटम में?
हाँ लिया.
फिर आना चाहिए.
Send your code in the chat, delete function. Send your delete function in chat.
Yes sir.
You
तो
don't
तूने
Index
नेम
comma
भी नहीं
name.
नेम ही
Name
नहीं लिया
index
ना.
comma index comma
इंडेक्स,
name.
हाँ वही तो, नेम नहीं लिया तूने. इंडेक्स कॉमा नेम चाहिए पहले, वही बोला.
line here.
Yeah. Working sir.
Okay, so I have sent you the video of that video is of which day? Let me verify once. Fixed video is of which day? I will play once and check.
चौदह.
Video 6 is there with us sir.
This is of 14th March. Fourteenth March, when it was Monday. 15th March, this is of which day?
Sir, you need to send 8 video number 8 of 16 March.
This is of baby number 15th. Sixteenth at 44. This is of yesterday. 16th. Okay, so video number 8 is coming in your chat. It is uploading. Today class will stop here only.